In this video, I'm going to show you how to install NovaClick. So basically, this time I'm going to be showing you how to do it on Axiom Pro, but it's the exactly same process for each and every single exchange or platform you're using. So if you're using BullX or GMGN or whichever you want, it's the same process, but I'll just be using Axiom Pro because it's my favorite. So if you don't have an account over here, but you'd like to have it, there's a link down below in the description, and if you sign up to Axiom using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. From here, you want to go to the NovaClick website, which is click.tradeonnova.io. So click.tradeonnova.io, and from here you want to click on Download for Chrome. Then you want to click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And then in a few seconds, your extension will be added just like this, as you can see over here. After this, you can close that down, and it's going to tell you you can connect Telegram. What you should do over here is just click on Connect Telegram. And then after this, you have two options. You can either start the bot or open in web. So in case you have the Telegram app on your computer, so you have it installed, you can click Start Bot, but if you don't have it, you can use the web version just like me. Now the problem over here is that once you click on Open in Web or Start Bot, and if you've never used NovaClick before, it's going to put you into a wait list, and you're going to have to wait a few days or just a few hours to be able to start using it. So if you want to, there's a link down below in the description, and you can use my code, which will give you access right away. You can bypass the wait list using my link and my code, and you also get some bonuses as well and some discounts in fees. So make sure you check it out if you want to. Now, I'm going to open this in web, and over here, you're going to have to, of course, click Start. So you're going to have to click Start somewhere up here or down here, and after this, you can just press Launch NovaClick over here, open link, and then it will say success, and you can click got it, and that's basically that. So after it says successfully connected to Nova. You can just click on those three lines over here, and then click on menu, and you want to click settings, and then NovaClick, and in here make sure use panel settings is green. If it's like this, so if it's red, click on the button, so the red button, and it's going to become green, and that's what you want. From here you can just close this down, and then you want to go to your trading platform. So as I said, I'm on Axiom, and you want to click on this puzzle icon top right, and next to the Nova extension, you can just open it or pin it for easier access. And you want to click on that and click on this turn on button. And as you can see, it's going to refresh your site. And over here, you can then set your presets if you want to for both buys and sells. And if you go to a random coin, then as you can see, you'll be able to see this NovaClick extension over here, so the panel, and you'll be able to start using it. If you don't see it, make sure you click over here where it says Enable Nova Panel, and this will show it up. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.